Friday, everyone. Lola Clear here with another video on how best to trade, when to get into a stock and when to get out. Catering for beginner traders or those who just need a little edge up. I'm here giving back to the community because I've learned quite a lot and I just want to just share with you guys. So watching MGM, been watching this stock since it was $15. I've been scalping it in and out. And a lot of people don't like to scalp, but that's how I do. I'm a day trader. I'm in today and I'm out by this afternoon, or I'm in the morning and I'm out by this afternoon. Watching this stock, it just popped up from $20 all the way to $21, and I think this is about ready to drop. So we have our trade limits. We always going to have $2,000 in equity. With a 4-to-1, we could get 371 shares, but we're just going to be safe and going with 200 just in case this is a pop and drop instead of a drop and pop. So I'm just waiting to see. I'm in already with 200 shares. I'm shorting that. Average price of $21.52, and unrealized right now it's negative $8.76. So I want to take it back down to VWAP here. Not really thinking it's gonna go all the way to my 38.2, but let's see what happens. So VWAP is trending up and it just stopped right there, just like these movements. So I'm thinking it's gonna drop down and I'm just holding. So I'm gonna take it from the 21.52 to 21.40 or whatever VWAP is at the time and see what happens. So let's just watch and see. I just realized that I might have some people here for the first time and not sure what is happening here. So let me just go over, and for those of you, please bear with me. You've seen this every video. I'm not trying to be boring. It's just that we might have some new people here and they're not sure what they're looking at. So every morning I find stocks that are tradable or I like to trade, that has my pattern and fall within my category. I go in, I get on here, whatever desktop I'm using, whatever brokerage I'm in, and I'm usually trading in 3 or so. So I have Webull set up with the paper trading, which I'm using to give back. So this is where I'm at right now. So I put in my Fibonacci retracement. Here is where you get it, Fibonacci retracement. Then because they give me my numbers, I'm good to go. I draw from bottom to top. Then I go for my minute because I like to look at the minute as well. On other platform, I look at the daily and the 15-minute or 5 minutes. So now I'm here on the minute chart and put in my colors just to differentiate. I have on here the gold line or yellow line, and here the aqua green or whatever that is. And I'm waiting for it to drop because this thing popped up from, what was that, $20.83 to $21.63. Nice pop, but I'm seeing some consolidation here. Even though it's making higher highs, higher lows, it's forming a pattern that I'm familiar with, and I just spot that like immediately. So let me just draw that for you. All right, so that's the pattern that I'm looking at. It's gonna get to a squeeze and it's gonna pop up one way or the other. So usually this goes to drop and pop, or it might just go pop and then drop back down. So that's why I only went in with 200 shares. But there is it, hitting on the trend line. Let me get that a little bigger for you. All right, and there is that pop out. What I was a little bit afraid of, and that's why I only went in with 200 shares. All right, so what are the possible levels that this could hit? Because that could be where we get out, but I'm pretty confident of this pattern. So we have a support resistance right here, and I'm looking at this one. Let me change that to orange. And we have another one right here. Hopefully I'm getting within the right section. Usually I do that before though. I'm sorry about that, guys. Alright, so I have a support resistance here. It might get to there. And then I could add some more. Alright, we're going to put in our buyback. Our fib line is right there. Okay, actually, we need to readjust this. So let me just take off that one. I don't need to take off everything. All right, so I'm going to take off that one here. Let's change back this to green, and I'm going to take it on VWAP, which is 21.43. So I'm going to buy this back at 21.43. Now I'm using paper trading because this is just about me giving back to the trading community, just showing you my strategy, but nothing else is important right now. All right, this should populate. Ah, there it is. Okay. All right, took a while, but on real trading with this, it doesn't take that long, guys, so don't worry about that. If you sign up with Webull using my link, you guys could get a free stock, so go ahead and do that. You can use this just to practice with. The paper trading is awesome. You can use it to practice with, and you can just put $100 in, and you can start making money with that. So why not? Just go ahead and just do that, just to help you better your strategy, you know. And they have some awesome charts set up. They have the widgets, they have all your lines that you need, they have all the indicators. It's saying you can customize, but you have all your indicators here, your Bollinger, your DCMA, ICKC. Let me take that out because pivot point, everything right there. You know, you have all your whatever you want to choose, lines, candles, you know, baseline, whatever. So it's pretty good, and you can go through and see if your stock is shortable and all of that. Everything is there. I don't have a lot here because I don't want to, you know, put too much here, but you have your level 2, you have your time and sales, you have all of that you need to trade. But I am what you call a naked trader because I don't like a lot of stuff on my screen, stuff that doesn't really make sense anyway, and I just need my Fibonacci line, my VWAP, and I just need to know where to put my support and resistance, and I have all of that. I have all these timelines that I can use to draw all my lines and move the cross quite easily and everything. I can't say enough about Webull. It's just been great, and their customer service is great as well. But VWAP has stopped moving up. It's still vertical, but I'm thinking that this stock with this move, because the average trade range of MGM is $1.06, so it's already did that. So I'm thinking that it's time for it to come back down. Not to sway anyone, but right now, again, I'm in OSTK. Remember, I told you the last video that I was still holding on this stock. This stock just dropped to 117 and is now at 124. Oh my God, I just love this stock. I just love this stock. Been in it from $42. So, you know, it's just been awesome trading with this stock. But all right. Back to MGM. Some big moves this morning, so I guess market slowed down. You can see the volume bars right here. They've gotten a little shorter, so we're just hoping that we can get our drop back to, well, VWAP is now 21.45, and we have ours at 21.43. But yeah, this should be coming down. Consolidation right there under the higher day, and this line here that I have is a major support resistance line from the past. As you can see, we found those. So I'm thinking someone might be trying to get it up there, but I think they're gonna fail. Just want to point out here, there's another nice support resistance right here. Let's put that in the same purple as we have so we know which ones are the support resistance. Right there. And it's also in line or close to my 38.2. So we're probably gonna hold. Let me take this back out without being too greedy, but let's see. Let's just cancel that sell order or that buyback. Okay. So we're gonna see if we can bypass VWAP and get a larger profit here where support resistance and Fibonacci meets. So we saw that we could actually have gotten 400 with a 300. I'm sorry, with a 4-to-1. We could probably add another 100 here just to get a bigger profit. We're just going at market just to get in. Hopefully we can. The reason why I got in because I'm seeing this struggle right here. Now a nice big drop. We're up now with 300 shares. Average price 21.53. Yeah, that turned out to be a nice bearish candle. Nice bearish candle. I think I'm gonna put my buyback in, and I want to go in between. So 21.37. Let's buy that back. 300 shares. Limit 21.37. All right, so we're touching on VWAP, which I anticipated that it was going to get to. See, now a lot of people are taking right there. So it just bounced off, but I have two technical analysis right here, support resistance and fib. Let's see if we can get it down there. But with this pattern, it's a small pop and drop or a small drop and pop. So I'm expecting a bigger drop. So they're hanging on there at VWAP. Okay, so we just looked like we almost went through VWAP. Yeah, we did. They're trying to get it right there. They're trying to keep it right there. Guys, if I sound nervous because OSTK, I just can't contain my excitement with this stock. It's just awesome. I took some off yesterday, day before yesterday, and then I've been adding back with every drop down. I've had it back, and I've added some here and some here. So now I'm going all the way back up, but I am so nervous because I like to just get out on, my technical analysis, but this stock I know is going to run. So I've been holding this stock for a long time, and I'm a day trader. I'm not a swing trader. So it's like I get a little nervous, holding, but this stock is a strong stock. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm not telling you anything at all. I'm just showing you what I'm in. All right, this stock just needs to just get down there. We have some nice bears in here, some money bears. So hopefully they take this down and we're not stuck in this stock for too long. We've only been in it though for 25 minutes. So that's not too bad. Yeah, they're on that sticky tape that's called VWAP. All right, here we go now. So remember, we have our buyback set at 21.37. We made this a little smaller. All right, we're almost there. It's at 21.39. And we should be out. It's at 21.37. Boom, we're out $49. Not a bad trade for 27 minutes on a small account. So that's the trade, guys. You can go in with more money and you can do what you want, but I just wanted to show you the strategy. So I just keep my choice stocks on my screens, and I have multiple screens, and I watch to see which one forms a pattern that I'm 99% sure of. And this one was one of them. I like this pattern. And what I find with this pattern, a lot of people may say it's a bull flag or pennant or whatever it is, whatever they call it, but I like to call this just my pop and drop or my drop and pop. So regardless of where it pops out, then I know it's either going to go up and down or down and up. So this one did that, just popped out for a bit, did not actually meet the support resistance, or they other people may have gotten it better than I did. I had mine here, but it went to here, just popped out a little, then came back down. So this is one of my favorite and easiest patterns to trade with, and I'm happy that I got the chance to show you. All right, now it's 10:26 on August 21st. It's a Friday, and I think I'm going to sign off in a while here. But if you like this video, if you like what I bring to you, please just give me a thumbs up. Let me know you like it and you watched it, and it's something that I can continue to show. So there we have it set at support resistance, and it actually went to support resistance instead of staying at VWAP, and this thing may just continue down, but we're up almost $50 in 27 minutes it was. And we're just gonna walk away from this one for now. So wishing we had a little bit more, but with a high price stock like this, and with small account, which is who I'm catering towards, $50 is not bad in 20-something minutes. All right, so now a lot of people are like us. We took our profit and walking away. So we might get some consolidation here. I will bring this back to you, but for now, let's just see. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and edit this video because this stock has not been moving as fast as others, and at the end of the video I'll just bring back and show you actually what happened. So here's one of the reasons, guys, why I like to come out where I said I'm gonna get out, and because we had two indicators here to show us that the stock could drop to there, which was support resistance and fib. We took it. A lot of people have done so, and that's why I take it, and I advise young and beginner traders to do so, because this stock can turn around and go all the way back up and you lose back everything you had. So walk away with $49. That's it, and be happy with that, because you could have just lost everything if this thing starts to go back up. But like I said, I'm going to bring this back to you and show you. Okay, as promised, just came back here to show you what happened with the stock. It's been a while. All right, so we had it. I haven't changed anything. We got out here, and it did bounce back up and then came back down through where we got out. Tried to hit this fib line, did not make it, and then boom. So we got in at 21.30, 21.53, which was here, 21.53, and it broke through that here, came back down, went back up again. So if you're a trader, beginner trader, you would have got scared or whatever, I don't know, or held or got out, not sure. But then you see, you might have not been sure what's going to happen here. But anyway, so it came up, made a double top right here, and then came back down, which came back down to our line and beyond. So it tried to hit on the 50% fib line here, did not actually make it, and came back down and hit on it again, and now it's curving up. So yeah, if you had held this stock, you might have gotten scared with it going back up, but if you held it, you make back the same money you made here without wasting all that stress and energy thinking about what's going to happen to take it back here again. So that's basically what I wanted to come back with, looking at this trade, looking at this chart. So it's best to just come out here. We got out happy, had lunch while all this stress was going on. All right, now back to the ending of this video. But for now, please like, subscribe, share, get on Webull, use my link, check out my website. I have some stuff on there. It's been a while since I've updated it anyway, but there's some stuff on there that might be new to you. And hopefully, you get help from something that I did. All right, guys, so like, subscribe, share again. Can't say that enough. Welcome all my new subscribers. Welcome. And thank you so much for sticking with me, all my longtime subscribers. And I look forward to bring you more coming next week. Take care. Have a great weekend. Love yourself. Love each other. Be patient with yourself. And I'll catch you next week. Take care, guys. Bye.